A present? Well, it's someone's birthday somewhere. What an entrance! Look, it's Labubu! While you're here, why don't we fix you up? Let's start with a light spritz. Bye-bye, slime. Now let's take care of those pimples. Maybe you should have worn gloves. Time to brush the hair out of your face. Ugh, we really need to clean out those ears. Now sit back and relax while we fix up those teeth of yours. Well, if we can't make it pearly white, we'll just go for gold. After all, even a monster elf needs to look their best. When it comes to candy rings, go big or go home. That's cool, but some prefer the handmade touch. Give these strawberry candies a bit of a pestle push. We can use it to whip up some cotton candy. These both look good. You want to trade? Ooh, a gummy ring! Dig in! You won't chip a tooth. Now for the candy floss. Hey, don't rain on her parade!
Oh no!
No candy allowed! Well, at least you've got math. Oh, careful with that sugar mastic! It kind of looks like an eraser. But we can make it anything we like. It's math class, so how about a calculator? Can't forget the numbers. Or symbols. Just make sure you use edible ink. Now let's see if it passes inspection.
What?
Well, let's see if it can do equations. It can? Oh, just what can't candy do? Of course, the real test is in the taste. And it looks like it passes with flying colors. Here, why don't you try for yourself? Marshmallows! But it's still math class. Uh-oh, it looks like someone forgot to study last night. But maybe those braids of yours can help. Wait a minute, these are marshmallow too!
Hey!
Oh no!
And you're not a real blonde either.
Uh-oh.
We better hide the squishies before he notices. Let's leave this stuffing for the squirrels. Besides, we can use them for a new craft. Just add toothpicks. Soon, you've got a zoo. I mean, sure, candy's not allowed in here, but I'm sure art class projects are okay. Wow, good thing he forgot this was math class. So, why don't we sneak in a few bites? You just know this is how he saves on snacks. Always gotta trick up your sleeve, I see. Okay, everybody, take out your notebook. It's time for your daily journal entry. Hold on, he's being called away on an anti-candy seminar. Which means all that candy's left unguarded.
Wow! Come on.
Grab a balloon. We're gonna need a lot of hot air. Next, add some blue paint. We're making a decoy globe. This girl really is a woman of the world. Now ditch the real one and get into place. Guess that lecture on marzipan ran longer than expected. Now why don't we sneak in a quick treat? And it looks like you're in good company. But some people just can't handle the tooth.
Ouch!
Ooh, they say the world's a scary place, but not quite like this. It's gym class. Let's warm up with push-ups. Wow, all this exercise is sure paying off. You're already sporting a six-pack. Hold on, it's your secret stash. Well, you need energy. But candy's not allowed in this class either. Don't worry, she snuck in popcorn. Caramel popcorn. And what can't be improved by chocolate spread? Something tells me she's got something in mind. A football. Pigskin without the pig. Or skin. But there's plenty of pop to go around.
Hey!
Uh-oh, quick, go long! Forward pass, other sports term. Ooh, now that's what I call a fumble. Poor thing, you've earned a little treat. You'll never pass the bar with behavior like this, young lady. Here, let her help you with your lipstick. I think she's got some secret plans for it. First, we need some pink chocolate. Add some heat, let it melt, and stir things up. Now pour it into an empty lipstick tube. Try it out. And how about a quick nibble? Silence! The artiste is showing you his process. Start with basic shapes, like triangles and squares. And voila! You've got a palatial estate! Guess an artist can't reveal all their secrets. Well, why don't we craft something more our own style? Simple recipe. Mix some yogurt with colorful candies. Oh, and we can't forget our special brush. Wow, you sure have one refined palette. Don't forget, the world is just full of colors. Just make sure to save some for your canvas. Looks like you made backup brushes. Good idea. This looks great, and it smells amazing. Ooh, she really gets into art. Blue, her favorite flavor. Her friends, too.
No.
Sorry, young lady. Hand it over. Well, I guess that works. He's taking this. Don't worry, she's gonna return the favor. This may look like an ordinary glue stick. And it is. But we can make a few adjustments. Empty it and fill it up with taffies. Just trim off all that excess glop. Here, why don't you take things for a quick spin? You know, I've heard of eating glue before, but I think this is an even better idea. Perfect thing to get out of a sticky situation. She really knows how to get into a good book. Uh-oh, Secrets always have a way of coming out.
Hey!
Don't worry, she's got backups, like rice paper. Just make sure to add some lines. A little hole punching won't hurt either. You know, those red highlights are candy too. The perfect thing to run through this paper. Who can resist making a fruity look for each hole? Use some edible ink to draw some pictures. I wouldn't take notes. This thing isn't gonna last. Honestly, it's a shame something looks this good. Especially when it tastes even better.
Hey.
Looks like someone could use your help.
Uh-huh.
Good thing there's plenty to go around. Careful, don't want to be caught passing notes. But you'll be surprised at how good it is going down. I know a lot of things have been candy today, but I don't think that includes those pencils.
Ew.
That said, today is all about candy. So I think it's time we get cracking. We can whip up something nice and sturdy. We just need a bunch of Pocky cookie sticks. Plus a marshmallow eraser to cushion things up.
Wow.
The best part? We can still write with it. Just remember to only eat from the opposite side. With pencils this good, it pays to have a spare. Hey everybody! It's time for a Labubu surprise party! Just dunk your half in the water and see what you've got. Ooh,
Meh.
maybe you'll have better luck. Wow! You got some little Labubu balls! Give it a good squeeze and you'll get to the slime inside. Why don't we see what they're made of? Hold on, there's a special message inside. Wow, an ASMR challenge. First, we'll need some glue. Plus a few other things, like spiders
Wow.
and glitter. We got the recipe from Wednesday and Enid. Our arachnid slime looks like it's done. It's time to pour it out of the bowl. Make sure you get every last drop.
Meh.
Now knead it like you're baking bread. I imagine big things for this slime, and I mean big. It looks like fun, but what can we do? Great idea! A unicorn! Fill it up with candy. Now let's put those chompers to work. We know you've got more slime than that in you. Wow! A rainbow! Here, grab a tissue. And thanks. Now, let's form a rainbow and give it a nice waffle pattern. Next, it's time for a little liftoff. Twist it up like a double helix. Now take this rainbow slime and smush it together. Just not too much, or you'll just get brown. Time to pick a winner. It's rainbow slime! Congratulations! You've got a new friend, a tiny butterfly unicorn. Aw, he's covered in a bunch of fuzzy fur. Oh, there's so much. Why not share the fluff? Besides, a quick shave never hurt. Just ask all those sheep. Now we can see your true colors, and they look great. As for your fuzz, we've got just the place to put it. This adorable Labubu-shaped case. Next, let's put a nice face on things. Aw, we've made you a new friend.